Khalifa Danger, I represent for Zimdancehall. Because him way, you know what I'm saying? Watch out now, lock the place and down the place and me, the girl them love. Cause enough for them what I can never know. Me have me slug, what take some bunny, bug, your mouth full of grudge. Yeah, I was Zimdancehall, I don't know a Khalifa represent, you know what I mean? I say Bob Marley. Oh, is it me? This is Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. You gotta see me around there, you know. Yeah, man.
Zimdancehall, see? Mad to the world, my people, them, see? Do it! Sugar Band aka Sugar Gold. Measurement! And make them get the arrangement. Work, Zimdancehall.
Okay, so guys, a quick question for you. Have you heard of Zimdancehall before?
Yes.
You have?
Yeah. I actually haven't.
You okay? Please tell us about Zimdancehall, my darling.
Okay, Zimdancehall. I'm from Zimbabwe. So yeah, I know Zimdancehall. I feel like they're highly influenced by the Jamaican culture, you know, but it's just like this.
Yeah.
But it's, yeah, I wouldn't know how to explain it, but Zimdancehall is definitely a high.
How do you feel about Zimdancehall?
How do I feel about it?
Yeah.
I haven't heard about it before, but I'm a hermit, I live in a cave. But for what I get from it, Zimdancehall, yo, anything that brings people together is a positive vibe, you understand? Like the arts, whether it be visual or whether it be audio, it's a communication thing and it's to bring everyone together. So, especially if it's a dancehall, for say, well, yeah, it's a Caribbean thing and Zims is an African thing. It's a connection, you understand? A positive connection, you understand? So, I'm all for it, bro.
Zimdancehall, you know, like sort of flourishing in the future and becoming sort of like a new genre of music that people can really embrace and you know, accept.
Yeah, I think it won't be like a whole new genre. I feel like they got their little kind of niche. However, they should collaborate with Jamaican artists and just do the thing proper, you know, like go all out.
Yeah, that makes
sense. Have a bit of Sean, have a bit of patois, mix it up, blend it up, and just take it up, you know.
I love that.
Yeah.
Zimdancehall, big up yourself, you know, near and far, Rastafari.
Dance up Zimdancehall. This is Jabuki for who don't know.
Zimdancehall, biggest dancehall overall, see?
Zimdancehall, the whole UK. Respect to Zimdancehall music because they are taking music to a next dimension. Zimdancehall in a Zimbabwe. Hear what God's from say down in Jamaica land.